Welcome back to Ta-da 3D printing. Today we will be talking about how to 3D print this miniature shower. This is a 1/24 scale and we have both the multicolor and the single color options available. Starting with the multicolor, we have everything organized in one file. It's organized in 4 build plates, but of course you can print these together if you're okay with more waste. The shower floor prints as 3 colors, white, black, and silver. Of course, you can adjust the colors as you like. This is designed to look like 4 tile pieces and a drain, but you're not going to have to glue all the pieces together. Just the single floor will print in one piece. The tile walls print together. One of them has the faucet and handle, and it does that by a color layer change. So you can run this on either the single or multicolor, and it will, of course, the multicolor will make that adjustment for you. Printing them flat like this does help with waste and also make sure that the tile is going to look the same. If one of them was printing flat and one of them was printing vertical, then of course the tiles wouldn't look the same. And then we print the silver faucet handle separate so that you don't have any supports, but it is tabbed so that it will slip into the base of the tile. And then on the multicolor printer, the shower surround prints 2 parts together. So the black shower surround and then the glass prints together so you don't have to glue them. This is kind of a long print because the colors change on almost every layer, but we really prefer the look of this to have it print together. Once you have everything printed, you can glue everything together. And then we do have the tile that has the little faucet, so that needs to be glued in. Once that's done, you can glue the tile walls and the tile floor all in together. The tile walls have a 45-degree angle on them so that they'll slip together, and then the floor slips in underneath the tiles. So everything will fit really snug and smooth. And then the main difference with the single color is, of course, each of these files are separate. Starting with the wall tiles, we start with the white filament, and then at about 1.25 millimeter or the 8th layer, we do a color layer change. And this print is around half an hour, so it usually goes pretty quick that you'll need to make this change. Of course, you could always do these in different colors, and you could add an additional color layer change if you wanted the grout to be a different color. And the floor also does the coloring by layer changes. Starts with white, switches to black, and then to silver. The colors are just a single layer, so it's very quick to switch between each of the different colors, and so this print is very quick. The shower surround and the glass print separately on the single color, and there is notching on the surround so that the glass will be able to fit inside of it. And then of course we print the glass with clear filament, and we print it flat so that it'll print much faster, not fall over, etc. Depending on your filament and the printer, you may have a little bit of the infill show, and if that bothers you, then I would recommend printing it solid so that you don't see additional filament as the infill. And then the last print is the handle for the faucet. Gluing all of these items is pretty similar, but we do recommend starting with the glass, gluing that into the notch, and then letting it set up completely dry before you add your additional tile. Glue in the faucet handle. This should be a really tight fit, so the glue will just help it stick in place, and then you can glue in the tile floor and the 2 walls. Once the glue sets up, you now have a 1/24 scale miniature shower with a really modern design. Let me know if you would use these same colors or if you would switch it up with some other colors. Thanks for watching.